Hi everyone, welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. My name is Andre John, and today we're going to be looking at playing our drums from the hi-hat to the snare. Okay, so when you're learning to play drums, some persons play like this, hand over here. All right, left-handers play like this. All right, but today we're going to be bringing both hands from here. All right, so we're going to break up this beat into about 4 to 5 different parts. Okay, so that we want to make sure that you actually get it step by step. So very simple. Okay, you can start with your bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hi-hat. You practice this over and over. Make sure you get it. You're going to include a snare. Pick it up now. Alright, so that's the foundation. That's the first part. The next part, we're going to be bringing down our left hand. So let's go. So it's going to be like this. Tick it, tack it, pa, tick it, pa. Tick it, pack it, pa, tick it, pa. Tick it, pack it, pa, tick it, pa. Tick it, pack it, pa, tick it, pa. Alright, so let's start with the foundation. Then we're going to bring down our left hand. So, foundation. Bring down the left hand. Alright, so we're going to add now an extra beat with our left hand. Alright, so again, we're taking it in stages. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So let's go. right, so let's see if we can add one last part to it, which is, so you're coming down with both left and right, right? So it's, right, so take it step by step, take your time, and let's go with it. So I want to leave the last Beatspiration with you today, all right, which is Beatspiration number 5. It says, you're the heartbeat of the music, all right? Without a drummer, the music loses its pulse and energy. Please know that. You are the driving force, the constant that keeps the song alive. Keep driving it forward with precision, confidence, and heart. So, remember, subscribe, share, like, check the link in the description. Thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day. Bye.